What is the business model in a mining company? So it depends on the commodity that they are extracting. Platinum, is it gold, is it coal, is it iron ore, etc., etc. But the principle remains the same. So in the mining sector, it is a highly capital intensive sector. It's not a business you wake up one morning and say, I'm going to become a platinum miner. It is highly capital intensive. So it's a multi-billion dollar business. In addition, a big part of this business is influenced by commodity prices. There are price takers, not price makers. So how the commodity prices fluctuate have a huge impact on these businesses. Also, the exchange rates impact on a mining business significantly. One, because it sells its product in US dollars, but it changes the money back into the domestic currency. So how much it gets in terms of the domestic currency is impacted on by the exchange rate. Now, hedging considerations become absolutely key because they're selling their commodities frequently at spot prices, but those fluctuate. And sometimes mining companies elect to hedge themselves, protect themselves, get insurance against fluctuations in both the underlying commodity price and also the exchange rate. What type of mine is it? Is it open cast or is it underground? That has huge implications in terms of the capital that has to be invested and probably the return that can be generated from that mine. Where is this plant located? Is it located, if it's a coal mine, near a power station where it can sell its produce? Or does it need enabling infrastructure like a railway line to get that produce to market? Is the mine labor intensive or is it capital intensive? Are energy prices a big part of this mining company's cost structure? And generally the answer in that respect will be yes. How stable are these energy prices? Do they have their own energy sources? And then how do they basically sweat their assets? So what you find with a lot of mining operations of scale is that there are 24-hour operations. It's much more economical, much more efficient to keep them open 24 hours a day than to shut them down and to open them up again. Importantly, with commodities and mining companies, they are price takers. They're not price makers. They take the price of their commodity, like platinum, based on international platinum prices. So that's something they can't influence. All these factors have to be taken account in crafting their operations because all these factors talk to a specific business model.